How to apply for a student loan refinance on Earnest app. To apply for a student loan refinance on Earnest app, first of all, you could download the app. You could also use the web version. So I'm going to use the web version. Type in Earnest app. First thing first, open up your browser. Type in Earnest app student loan or Earnest student loan. Here it is. After which you just want to scroll down a bit. There you have Earnest student loan. You want to tap open the link and you just want to make sure to verify it. Then you have to start a new application and go to start loan refinance. You will be asked to fill in the basic information to see personalized rate without affecting your credit scores. Next, you want to provide detailed information including existing loan details, balance and the interest rate as well, employment and income information, personal identification such as social security number and ID, and educational background as well. Once you've done that, Earnest may ask for a read-only access to your finance account to access your overall finance health. Select your desired interest rate and replacement terms as well. Then you could finalize and submit the application for a review as well. And this way, you're supposed to apply for student loan refinance on Earnest app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.